Hi, I'm Nisha. I'm the owner and creator of Otter Soap Company, and today we are making white tea and ginger soap. This might be the last batch of soap you see me making for a minute because our soap budget has officially run out. And that's honestly fine because even though I've been working on posting or trying to post videos every day, this little break will give me a chance to focus on more of the mundane tasks of running a business, more of the behind the scene type stuff, but I might record some of it depending on what I do. So if you don't get a video after this batch every day, then you know why. Like I said, it's fine. I have plenty of other things I need to do. I need to clean up the soap room. I need to photograph all my bars. You still have to get an update on how the strawberry shortcake bar is looking. I have to reorganize and redo and just collect inventory of the bars we have and how I'm going to price them and discount the bars that are messed up and do samples. It's a lot of behind the scenes things I still have to do. I also have business cards coming in. I still have to sort out some of the issues with the business card. I don't know if I spoke about this on the channel yet, but I ordered business cards in the beginning to the middle of January, but they are front and back. But the back came too blurry and you're unable to scan the QR code that's on the back. So I had to get them redone, and they're supposed to come in later this week, and I'm actually really excited about that to see how they turn out. Hopefully they're right this time, because I don't think I can do this one more time. It's just something's wrong. It was also part of the stuff that was supposed to be shipped during the recent snowstorm we had that was really behind, so they were already behind when I got them, and now that they're messed up, they're even more behind than what they're originally supposed to be. I also want to talk about video, audio, and sound quality because I bought a mic for this video, whatever setup. When I bought the mic, it low-key looked like the box was already been opened. And I noticed that the microphone will go from sounding really crisp and clear to kind of muffly, like my videos normally sound. And at the time I didn't replace it because it was the only one at the store at the time. I just came back from buying a different one, and this one has been consistently crisp. I also want to replace the microphone because my YouTube Shorts videos always sound very distorted compared to my Instagram or whatever videos, and it's all the same voiceover. The mic shouldn't matter. The mic was a problem anyway, but I'm gonna have to go back to my YouTube Shorts and see what exactly the problem is in general. But anyway, I talked most of this video and barely told you anything about this soap, and I apologize for that. I know it's a little chattier than normal. I guess not normal, but normal I would say some more stuff about the soap. But like I said earlier, this is our white tea and ginger soap. It has more of a floral smell than the spicy ginger smell, so it's leans more towards floral than gingery. But it's good. It still smells really good. And I decided to design this soap with a drop swirl. I'm gonna call it a pure drop swirl because I actually didn't go in with a stick and kind of play with the swirls and let everything do whatever it's gonna do. And I'm actually behind on recording all these videos and posting these videos because I have a lot going on. So I actually haven't posted the video that's supposed to be today's video, which you're going to see, which is going to be the first short of this batch of soap. But I've made this soap with a beautiful yellow and a beautiful lime green and just a plain white base. I want this soap to be really pretty simple and just pretty but simple. But I've been rambling this whole video, so I'm going to let y'all watch for a minute and enjoy it. I decided to add some glitter on top, but as you can see, some bars got a lot more glitter than others, so it's kind of like a big glob of glitter on some of these. You'll really start to see it when I swirl the top, though. I also want to say that I only made enough for the slab mold, so there are no minis to this one. And tell me if y'all prefer me to have minis or just the slab is just cool, but this batch does not have any minis with it. I do, however, have sample pieces. I'm thinking of starting to sell sample sets so you can have each and every bit of soap, just a little small sample of it as well. But that's all for the top of this one, and I'm going to give you a better angle of the finished slab. This is it. It's so pretty, it's so glittery, and as you can see I have some extra globs of glitter in some areas, so somebody gets a little extra love of glitter, but it's all so cute and so beautiful. And we're going to go to the cut in 15 to 24 hours. Yeah. This is the next day of our big, beautiful slab. It looks fantastic the day after, and I'm going to cut them into loaves and bars, and I'm just going to let you watch it. But sorry, before you do, I'm still kind of playing with angles and stuff. I think I like this angle better for cutting the slab into loaves, but I'm still kind of playing with the angle I show you each bar. These are our 4 big beautiful loaves, and they all look fantastic. The cut's so pretty, and I'm excited to show you them cut into bars. And these are our beautiful bars of soap. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my website. I have a deal going on that if you sign up for my emails, which I don't send emails often, but if you sign up for my emails, you get $5 off your first bar of soap. My website is ottersoapcompany.shop. And again, subscribe, like, comment, share, follow me on all my social medias. I have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course YouTube. On all platforms, I am Otter Soap Company, except for on Facebook, I am Otter Soap Company 777. But yeah, just support my channel. I'm gonna miss you guys while I'm not recording videos and while I'm doing the mundane tasks of working or owning a business. But that's all I gotta say. Thank you for watching. I love you beautiful people, and enjoy the rest of the cuts. Bye!